Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with part 2 of updating this space into a nice luxurious bar and lounge area. So this is a space I got to work with. Initially it was a small grocery shop and now they want me to transform it into a bar and lounge area. So I was asked to do the facing for the bar counter, and that was what I did in the last video when I installed the 3D panels on the board. So now today I'm going to do the backdrop, which is the liquor shelves and also other areas in the bar. So I'm going to start the project by installing these 3D wall panels on the wall. I'm not going to go through the whole process. I have some videos wherein which I'm installing these panels. They are step-by-step videos, so if you want to learn how to install them, you can watch the videos. I'll link them in the description down below. I'm finished installing the 3D panels on the wall, so now I'm installing the brackets and the shelves for the wine rack. Earlier I installed the shelves on the right, and now I'm doing the installation on the left. I'm using a lever to position the shelves and the bracket correctly and to ensure that they are perfectly leveled. So as you can see, I didn't paint the space in between the shelves because I'm going to attach these mirrors to the wall. So I am applying some glue to the back of the mirror, and then I'm just going to attach it to the wall. As you can see, I'm finished attaching all the pieces of mirror to the wall. I use 1/8 mirror. So now I'm going to add black tinted glass shelves on the brackets. I added 3 glass shelves on the right and 3 on the left. I use 1/4 inch glass because the shelves are short. For the middle shelf, I used a thicker glass because the shelf is a bit longer. I'm now cleaning the panels and the mirrors because I'm gonna add some LED strip lights around the mirror. Now that I'm finished with the shelves, I'm moving on to the sides and the front of the bar counter. As you can see, I'm sanding and staining these plyboards to be used for the front and the side facing for the bar. I use the black stain, and I'm also adding a coat of varnish to make it water resistant and also to give it a high gloss sheen finish. After sanding and installing the plyboards, I'm now applying 3D panels to the front part of the bar counter. If you want to see a full detailed step-by-step instruction of this process, you can check out part 1 video. I'm now adding some metal strips to create more interest and intricate detail to the facing of the bar counter. So this is the final look, guys. This is the facing of the bar, and this is the side. So these are the pieces of plyboard I sprayed earlier. I am going to add another piece right there. So here's another look at the shelves and the wall. So these LED lights that you're seeing hanging down, they are going to be continued underneath the bar counter after we add the glass countertop. And the wall with the shelves will eventually change to black. So this is how it looks after the grass carpet has been installed. The color scheme is green and black. The carpet is looking seamless and lovely clean. So this is how it turned out, guys. Very beautiful. As you can see, the dark glass countertop has been added and it is absolutely gorgeous. The black is lovely. It is just blending with the panels. And also we added some wine bottles on the shelves. So the project is coming together, and as I mentioned earlier, the entire back wall for the shelves will be painted in black, so this is the final look. If you like the video, guys, remember to leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.